Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. How are you all? So, I've come up with a new style curd curry, which is also called dahi kadi in Hindi. So, I'll take you through the ingredients. It's a very simple and easy recipe to make it in hardly 10-15 minutes. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients. So, we have some salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some jeera or cumin seeds, some mustard seeds, that is rye, some fenugreek coarsely powdered methi, methi seeds, okay, and some curd. Here we have some fresh curry leaves, green chilies, some dried red chilies, a banana, a ripe banana, and a piece of coconut. So let's start making this curry. It's a very simple and yet yummy recipe, which we can combine with steamed rice. Okay, and it's very tasty. I swear, guys, you all should try this. It's a very simple recipe and very quick to make at home. So you can see we have cutted the banana into small pieces. So it should be cutted in the same way. Okay, you should not be doing it very large or very small. It should be medium as shown in the video. And I've taken almost 3 green chilies for this curry that will spice it up. So I've taken a earthen pot to cook this curry today. Okay, it will taste really good in this pot if you try, but it's not. What to say, a necessity. You can take any utensil or any kadai to make this curry. So I'm putting the bananas and the green chilies to the pot. We need to cook it well with some salt, some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, with little bit of water. So combine all the ingredients well with this water, and we need to cook this particular banana and green chilies in this water until the bananas are soft. So we need to blend the curd, okay, and so I'm using a hand blender over here to blend it. You can just whisk it out. Nicely blend the. So here we have taken the coconut, grated coconut. Okay, we need to make a very fine paste out of it using some water, and we'll be adding some jeera to it. So add some red chili powder to this coconut, grated coconut. We need a very thick and fine paste out of it, so you can add water gradually and make it a good paste. For some added flavor, we need to add some fresh curry leaves to it. So you can see I've got a very fine paste of the grounded coconut. Sorry, the grated coconut, red chili powder, some curry leaves, and jeera. Okay, I've used enough water to make it a coarse paste. So now we are gonna add this to the boiling bananas. So just add the mixture to the pot. You can see the bananas are well cooked now. Add some more water. Just allow the gravy or the curry to cook for another 5 minutes in low flame. So you can see the curry is almost done. So we just need to do a small tempering to finish off the complete the curry. So everything is well cooked and combined well. So we need to add some buttermilk to this. This is the curd that we had beaten and kept aside. So give it a mix. So we need to keep in mind after putting the curd or adding the buttermilk, we don't need to overcook it for a while. So just I've taken it out of the flame. So the pot is already hot, so that is more than enough. Now we are going to prepare the tempering for the curry. Add some oil to the pan. Let the oil heat up well. Add some mustard seeds and we'll wait until it splatters. Along with it, we are adding in the red chilies. Some cumin seeds. So here, after taking the pot out of the flame, we need to add the fenugreek that was coarsely powdered. So you can see the tadka is ready, the tempering is ready. So we have put it in the pot and give it a nice stir. So here the curd curry is ready. So I hope you'll all try this. It's a very easy and simple recipe to make. Thank you for watching, and do like, share and subscribe our channel, and please click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.